So I'm just at the airport with Forward. We're picking up a friend of mine, and I wanted to let you all know that if you're flying into Zimbabwe, you can get a visa the moment you come in, but you need to fill out a form, and that form is on an iPad, and there's like 5 iPads and 200 people, so you might be waiting a little while. You can fill out the form beforehand, and I'm going to pop a link in the video description so that you can do that. I think the moment you submit the form, you have like 90 days that your visit can be within, and most people are getting like a 30-day visa, which costs $55, bring cash, US dollars. So if you fill out the form online, then you get off your plane, go straight to the kiosk, give them the money with your passport, and you're through. And my buddy's here. Awesome. Cheers, guys.